Hi everyone, Sarah back again today for Color Rush Studios, and I am using the Holly Jolly kit. I am going to go ahead, I did pull some cardstock from my stash. I wanted to use this light pink that goes with this collection really well, and a little bit of white. Not how I normally do, I'm actually using my matte as the white. I cut this striped or diagonally striped blue paper down, I think it was 8 inches. And then I kind of just bent it in the center so that I can make a pendant out of it. And I went ahead and roughed up the edges of that. And this is where I'm going to go ahead and cut down that pink cardstock so that a little bit of white shows out from behind it. I will rough up the edges of that blue as well. There, or that pink, not blue, pink, the pink. I went ahead and roughed that up, and I'm going to go ahead and tape this down here in just a second. And then instead of taping that blue one flat, and I roughed up 3 edges, sides of this with my fingernail to make it more roughed up, and then I'll press the top one down a little more so I can put this down. But I'm going to pop the pendant up on some 3D foam here. Sorry about my voice and the sniffles. Weather change and allergies, it's fantastic. But I went ahead and stuck that down. I'm going to rough it up a little more with my fingernails. And then these are the 2 photos. These are from last year, but they're 2 that I hadn't scrapped, so I was going to do that. And then I had fussy cut a bunch of these cute little Christmas balls out, and I wanted to use them. I also ran one of the papers through my Sizzix and cut out a bunch of these little sprigs. I think they're pine sprigs. But I went through and cut those out. Excuse me. Just so I could have some cute little sprigs coming out. I like the fact that you can, just use your dies and stuff that you have in your stash to add a little more to your layouts. I always love doing that. So I'm going ahead and sticking these. I'm trying to find out where I want everything. And then here I decided I'm going to cut little holes in the top of the ornaments. And I had grabbed out some of my jute twine there. I'm going to stick it through the top where I make the hole. Make sure that it's long enough and chop it off. So it's going to look like a big mess here in a second because nothing's going to be adhered down. And then I will go ahead. I add some 3D foam on the back of some of these. And I'm going to tuck them where I had them previously. I'm still not adhering the strings down yet. I'll do that after I get all of the things glued down. The rest of them just have some gold washi tape behind them to hold the jute, but I do add extra glue to it to make sure that those stay as well. So hopefully later on down the road it doesn't become a problem when I look through my album and they are still stuck, hopefully. So I'm starting to stick things down here, and I made sure to glue that photo down first before I stuck that big ball down. I'm going to stick this little one up here, and then oh, I was wrong. I went ahead and glued the other photo down, and now I'm going to start putting these to the back. I do love that gold washi tape from my stash. I just don't ever know what to use it on because it makes such a shine on the screen, even when you take photos and stuff. So I'm never too sure. I've used it on some layouts where it wasn't something that I photographed, so I don't know. It's cute though. But I'm going to go ahead and adhere this last one and trim that down, and they're all stuck to the paper. So now I get to finish off with some actual embellishing. Loving the frazzles and ribbons this month. They are absolutely gorgeous. I thought I was going to use the pink and white stripe and decided to go with the green little balls. They're so stinking cute. And I will stick those across the top. I was trying to figure out which one of these I wanted to use. I'm sorry, I don't know why I can't stop yawning. I went with HoHoHo because it stood out more. I added some adhesive tape to the top, and then I added some glue too, so that there's an automatic stick, but then there's also a long-term stick. So I'll leave that while I finish out the rest of this layout. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of the ephemera, and I'm going to stick a couple of the little Christmas balls. I'm going to stick the bell down here. And then I think I just used the ornaments actually. And I'm doing that right now. And then I will grab those, oh, I'm going to glue first. Okay. So I glued my title, Ho Ho Ho, down. I'm going to glue these little ornaments down, stick them in there. And then I'm going to grab those epoxy flares over there. And I'm going to stick one up here. It says Holly Jolly. And then I'm going to grab the little snowman and stick them over here in this cluster. I'm going to trim off the edge of this pom-pom frazzles. And then I'm going to grab some, wow, that stuff, my brain went blank. Aqua pigment from my stash. I grabbed gold and I'm going to splatter all over my layout just to add some gorgeous bright gold to that. And sorry, I also have sick little kiddos. Hopefully you understand. I guess it's that time of year, so that does finish out this layout though for me. I really hope that you enjoy this. I had a blast making it. Can't wait to share my next layout with you. Make sure to head over to the Color Rush Studio website and check out the kits and everything else gorgeous that's there in the shop. Have a great day. Bye.